What's up, what's up? Welcome to another video on Are You Kidding? In this vid, we have got Shawn from Static Photography, who does crazy stickers and hoodies and all sorts of cool things. And we're putting the new livery on the car today. So let's get into it and see what she turns out like. All right, let's check back in. Old Mechanican has been laying down some stickers. As you can see in the thumbnail, it is going to be a... So, mid sticker installation, what do you think, Shawn?
I think it's going to rain today.
I don't think there's any chance of raining today.
I think it's going to rain today.
I don't think it's going to rain today.
Definitely not going to rain.
Definitely not going to rain today. What a great day to load up the trailer and all the tyres to go drifting tomorrow. That'll be a later video that you guys watch. Damn it!
You might want to do that before it rains.
Say what?
You might want to do that before it
I will
rains.
put the trailer on the car before it rains.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do yesterday, but no. No. I think it got heavier.
That's not right.
Let me put that bloody tap. Someone put a tap in me gutter. Ridiculous. This is where we need a big lightning strike to go. We interrupt this time lapse to show you how calm the weather is right now.
It's going great. I don't think it's going to rain today, though.
I don't think it's going to rain. It definitely wasn't forecast to rain. And who put the tap in the bloody gutter again? You just turn it off. Water wallies.
I think it's...
You have to talk up over that not raining.
I know. I think it's going to not rain. Oh, man. Then...
Who would have said it was going to rain today?
Not me.
Who suggested we put this in the shed where the XY is?
Not me. Maybe you did.
Who said that should be right? We should just keep it out here.
That could have been me.
That could have been you. Oh well, one bang sent it.
Look, the stickers are sticking.
Ah, stop it. I hope everyone's liking this. I don't care if you don't, because we love it. All right, we'll watch the monsoon pass by. Couldn't have timed that any better then.
There's a lot of monsoon there.
Well, as they do in the crickets, they've gone to drinks. Been rained off.
Not rained off.
It's definitely not raining. That is an optical illusion that you can see. That is definitely not raining.
It's not raining.
It's not coming down hard.
No.
Not coming down hard at all. Not excited about loading up Xyynot onto the trailer. And all those tyres are going to go on the tyre rack. Day for it.
Did what I had to do and this is enough for me. Never meant to be a winner, never meant to be a quitter, but this is how I lose satisfaction. Ship thrills, ship tricks. Woo! It seems like the way I live. Who said I should be a big shot? Who said I should take it, take that?
Well, there you go. It has been an absolute monsoon of weather today. Great conditions to put stickers on, hey Shawn?
Totally. This rain once.
Didn't rain once. Absolutely blown away with the look. We're both very chuffed with what we've achieved today. And this was just a couple of Muppets with a silly idea. And then he changed, what do they call it? I forgot what the actual taste he came called.
Oh, it's silver cat.
Silver cat.
Silver top?
Silver fox.
Fox.
Silver fox. There we are. Hope you like this video. And we'll get this beast out soon enough. And are you kidding? See you soon.
You're pretty good.
No swearing. How you going? Come have a look at Are You Kidding? You know Shawn? Jason?
Trying to get a reaction.
Come have a look. See what you reckon.
Oh.
Got your reaction when you first saw it.
What's 237 is that?
Well, that's the drift car, the XY's number.
Oh, okay.
So, paid a little bit of homage to that weapon.
Tribute.
Tribute. Because we're missing, we've got Benny's drift car garage on the back and the fossil on the window. Kind of looks more taxi. The more I look at it, I think fossil and drift car garage. No, but taxis have got peak availability. Yeah. Yeah, we've done our research.
Oh, what it is I just put the fossil. I put fossil on the
Yeah, and we're trying to come up with some sort of funny slogan like slide into my DMs for free slides and
I think it'd be a good Mackie thing, a surcharge or $5 sit down fee. That's a good. You know they charge you just to sit in the thing? Yeah. Like $3.50 just to sit in it or something.
an appearance fee.
Appearance fee. You could do that, appearance fee.
All right, I'll stop filming now. Thank you for your little opinion. But
Yeah, no.